Hey there everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take apart and replace the front screen assembly of your Apple iPhone XS. So I'm going to be showing you how to take apart and replace the screen on your iPhone XS. But before we begin, go ahead and please give this video a like, it really helps us out, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So here are the tools we're going to be using for this repair. We're going to be using a suction cup. We're going to be using Pentalope screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, a tri-tip screwdriver, a metal thin prying tool, plastic prying tool, and a SIM ejector tool. So we're going to have a link down below in the description where you can get all of the parts and tools used for this repair. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's go ahead and power the phone off first. Go ahead and remove your SIM card tray. And then we can go ahead and remove the two Pentalope screws at the bottom. So with the two screws out of the way, next step is we're going to have to give heat around the edges here of the phone just to loosen up the little bit amount of adhesive that holds the screen with the frame. So you can do it with a heat gun, or you can set it on a hot plate, which is what I like to do. I set it to about 110 degrees Celsius and leave it on there for about a minute or two. So you may want to use some gloves so that you don't burn your hands, since the phone will be hot. Once the phone is hot enough, go ahead and grab it. And then we're going to use a suction cup that we're going to place towards the bottom of the phone where the charger port is. And we're going to pull up on it gently until we see a slight opening. So once you see the screen lifting up a little bit and you see an opening, you can go ahead and stick the prying tool in there just a little bit so that you can remove the adhesive on the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to go around the sides of the phone, removing the adhesive on the side. You can go ahead and pry up a little bit gently, and then we're going to go down the other side of the screen as well. Be very careful, take your time so that you don't damage the screen if it's not broken. And also very important, don't stick the prying tool in too much so that you don't damage anything on the inside of the phone. As you can see, here are the flex cables that connect to the screen. So we can go ahead and remove the suction cup now. And we're going to go ahead and pry up now on the top of the phone, which is the last part. So we're going to stick the prying tool in there and gently pull up to remove the last amount of adhesive holding it together. We're going to turn the phone around and lift the screen up towards the right side of the phone. So next step is we're going to be removing 4 tri-tip screws and 1 small Phillips head screw. With the screws out of the way, we can go ahead and lift up on the bracket and it will come right out. Next up, let's go ahead and disconnect the battery flex cable to remove any electricity flowing through the phone. It's this little cable right here. Just pull it back, and then we're going to go ahead and disconnect the first cable that connects to the screen. It's this one right here. Pull that back, and then we're going to disconnect the second cable right here, which connects to the screen as well, and pull that back. And then we have one more cable, this thin cable that connects to the ear speaker and front sensors of the phone. Let's go ahead and disconnect it. It's this cable right here. Then we're going to go ahead and pull up on it gently. It is held down with some adhesive. And then with those 3 cables disconnected, the screen comes right out. So there's your iPhone XS screen. So let's go ahead and place it down. Now we're going to be removing 3 tri-tip screws that is holding down the ear speaker and proximity assembly. So let's go ahead and remove these 3 tri-tip screws right now. So with the 3 screws out of the way, we can pull down here on the speaker now. So now we're going to grab the plastic prying tool and gently pull up on this ambient sensor here. It comes out pretty easily. Just move it back out of the way. Then we're going to go ahead and flip the screen around to get a better angle. We're going to stick the prying tool under the cable here gently and slowly pull up here on, wedge it under the microphone and pull up on it gently, and it will come right out. Then we're going to wiggle it here to the side and gently lift up the proximity sensor as well. Once you have them lifted up, you can go ahead and pull up on it gently with your fingers and it will come right out completely. So here we have the ear speaker assembly. Here's the ear speaker at the large portion at the bottom here. Here we have the proximity sensor, and the top one is the ambient light sensor, and the small gold one is your microphone. So that's the complete front ear speaker assembly. So here we have the screen for the iPhone XS. So the part that you should order is going to look exactly like this. It's going to be very easy to install. It's going to have these two flex cables right here. And we're going to have the link down below in the description to get this exact part. So once you have this part, all we're going to have to do is just place the ear speaker assembly back on and place everything back together in reverse order. So let's go ahead and do that now. So once all those screws are back on, we're going to go ahead and position the screen correctly on top of the frame here of the phone. We're going to position the top portion first and click it in, push it upwards a little bit, and then we're going to click down the sides of the phone to make sure that it seals properly. Go ahead and give it a second look, make sure that the phone closed correctly, and looks like we're all set. Then we can go ahead and place the two Pentalope screws back on at the bottom of the phone. Go ahead, place your SIM card tray back in and go ahead and test the screen out. Make sure everything is working properly with the new screen that you ordered. Test the brightness a little bit, and there we go. That is how you replace the screen assembly on your iPhone XS. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and please give it a like. It really helps us out, and I'll see you guys around in the next one. Peace.